Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous, and I wanted to give you a quick overview of how we release product throughout the year. In January, we do our big catalog, which has lots of new things, and we revisit everything that's currently available. And then we also release new product in April, and in July we release all of the fall and Christmas products, and in October we have a new release that is mostly spring items. And then that comes back into a whole new January catalog. So if you're looking at things online, you can access these flippy catalogs, as we call them, but you can also use the search engines to find any particular design or theme or something that you might be looking for. So in the beginning of the catalog, we tend to put the new things up front, and whatever's new and exciting goes there. And we show the new things large, and later we show them smaller, but you can tell by the code numbers, like these are the texture cubes, what's happening with that. Same with our other designs here. You may see all of the stamps with the dies, and then you get to a page that revisits all the other ones at a smaller scale. So there's lots of stamps and dies, clear sets, all sorts of wonderful stamp options. And then you get to our licensed products like Laurel Burch, Skinner, House-Mouse, and then we get to all of the metal stencils and the Dreamweaver products. And then we have all of the embossing powders and glitters and other special things. And when you get to the back of the catalog, there is a size chart which will help you with all of the wood stamps or the cling to understand the actual sizes, and there's an index as well. So that gives you lots of new product to look for throughout the year, and all of these catalogs will give you lots of new products where you can make a Stampendous impression every time.